Thank you, Carter, and good morning, everyone. So we're going to spend the next 25 minutes looking at the most often used tools, SDKs, APIs, and try to create a roadmap for ourselves, how these all fit together. And we're going to start with a typical flow through the processes everyone follows to deploy a vision or inferencing app. And we're going to use this flow as an agenda for the next 25 minutes presentation. So anyone who's deploying deep learning needs to start with training their networks using training data. Once you have trained networks, you need to deploy it on your target or embedded device. So you need to take your trained network over into your runtime system. There are two main ways that people are actually accelerating inferencing for machine learning right now. One is compilers, where you take a network description and compile it directly into executable code, which is linked into your application. Or many people have an inferencing engine, a pre-written engine that understands how to ingest a neural network description that can be linked into your application too. Often, there's a mix of inferencing and vision, so a vision library might be involved, and all of those pieces of runtime software need to typically access hardware acceleration. That's really the point of this talk. How do we get that layer of software to effectively link into and use hardware acceleration, both for inferencing and for vision processing? So that's our goal. Let's start at the top and work down.